guys, today here I have the Logitech K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard and the Logitech MX Master 3 advanced wireless mouse. So check them out. I want you to come in and take a look. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this keyboard, okay? Notice the split right here. That means it's ergo, so it's very comfortable. Also, this is almost like it's smooth, it's very comfortable. You can rest your wrist, so carpal tunnel is not going to be a problem here. This is seriously a really comfortable keyboard to use, okay? Now take a look at this mouse, okay? This mouse is also ergo. Look, it's so comfortable. It's angled in a certain way. You see that? And there's a couple features that I want to show you. So look at that. So I just turned it off, on again, okay? So you can save the battery. So that's a nice little feature. Also, it has ultra fast scrolling. Okay, so I love the fact that it's wireless and that it's ergo. And honestly, I just really like using this mouse and this keyboard because it's so easy to use. I can sit for hours on end and I don't get tired. So check it out, guys. Thank you for watching.